In this question, you're given that f is a function from real numbers to real numbers, and f of x is 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3. You're asked to find FOF of x. So by definition, FOF of x is nothing but f of x. That is equal to f of x is given as this 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3. That is equal to, so fx is this. What is f of this? So if you assume this as t, so f of t is 3 minus t cube whole power 1 by 3, where t is nothing but this. So you need to find t cube. Here t is equal to 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3. So t cube is 3 minus x cube. So this expression whole cube is 3 minus x cube. So 3 minus of 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3. So 3 and minus 3 gets cancelled. Minus of minus becomes plus. So x cube whole power 1 by 3, which is equal to x. So FOF of x is equal to x. So what is the conclusion? The conclusion is that the function is the inverse of itself. If you find the inverse function of f of x, it will turn out to be the same function. Let me show you how this is happening. So let us try to find the inverse function to this. So y is equal to 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3. So y cube is equal to 3 minus x cube. This implies x cube is equal to 3 minus y cube. This implies x is equal to 3 minus y cube whole power 1 by 3. This is nothing but f inverse of y. So f inverse of x is equal to, you just need to put x in the place of y. So 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3. So as you can see, this is exactly this function. So that is why FOF of x has turned out perfectly to be x. It's an identity function. Thank you.